might as well go ahead and do a little introduction here. We're going to my ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So, I didn't tell you this, but Thursday we went down to Kansas, Kentucky. I'm trying to hop the car, but I think it's going to proper time to introduce it to you. The 2013 Chevrolet Equinox 2LT. It's got the Ecotec 4-cylinder in it, and I don't know if it'll come out in color, but yes, it is black. 2013. It does not sound bad. Next video, I'll give y'all a coach start. But on that note, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.